we are taking steps and measures for that matter to retrieve hitherto lands or state-acquired lands by executive instrument that has been encroached upon. Similarly, we have conducted exercises in places like Frafraha and its environs. We are on our way to Ramsar site to do same. So it is just to meet with all the stakeholders, and it's important to note, or rather it's worthy of note, that the Alodia owners, the traditional councils and authorities have given us their blessings to collaborate with us in this exercise. We are not responsible for regularization. We are not the ministry with a mandate to regularize lands. Lands Commission or lands is here. Our duty, supported by the security and intelligence agencies, to protect lives and properties, and that's what we are going to do. We are going there to ensure that buildings that are sited in the core area of Ramsar, in the water, the law mandates the assemblies at 93697 to remove such buildings, and so that we shall do.
Do we have any idea of the number of structures?
Well, a reconnaissance exercise has been done already by the security and intelligence agencies, led by the agencies on the lands. So we have a fair idea of what we should be doing.
The people there should be giving ample time to vacate.
They have had more than 2 months time. We've been talking about Ramsar in the last 2 months. We believe that they've had over 70 days notice, which is enough for them. But rather, what they continue to do, anytime we speak, they go ahead and build with impunity. Oh yes, that will be done. Yes.
Minda was regional minister in Ojubang. Ejakeshi Ishoni was yene, Aloichona Chawa, Tobonin Intermarket, it has been very long overdue. Eji won Nagba Agbo. No what fair press conference, what more petitions, what fair nibi Bastille, Eko Jani Bachuni, she ya you know ne Echawo, Ekewo Jomo Candilini, and here Nakabafe Nishmon Yoje. Minonese and officer. That you actually give me wildlife, I met touching on their right for far too long. They are also part of encroachment can be a because I met a big BFA Kobe, Nafino Nafe, Jamefe, the Kawa Majachame, what any why Nameko Wakashi, Shipon, government Shiponi, J2 Noni, no many authority, no Kaboka, you no government money while they buy you a Shipon Sani, let's show money they can wear you here. We are really very happy and we are so grateful for him. Well, Yakashi. Wafe wakaja ajame wabafamome na madom hye say ni amewa kemoko janungwa de ba create problem jame nungwa me jame ni ba stop le moko jetema ne ba create problem me ko me jetema na me je na ba stop le ko ni chumo enye ya no fefew ke agbena wafe wo me shedi ejakishi keji aleno ni nu bataja me feninde de bo ngbeme egbe kani bi ye wo majache me wa ba che ni won lose wa population ni efengo joba bo ma chajibu do ekolo kan eko shi mo ko ele efe gato fi oko de hoje be do ba le se alo le ke ni bi fe akelete won da original minister shojugba ejakeshi enne kun esa ni be de afi le da shi akele hia na conviction na she no enake isaka afi enake isaka afi do won da president there shi ake efamuko ni e ba ndu he e ha gadanwe ne kleba domo wona Eradon, what Kadromofa, Ebana or reps here, Jame, Nishumo Sada Bashu, Abachu, Konika Agbena, Chumi Sani, Akawa Ayule Fell, Nibedo Bajepo, government no, Majachame, Mofemo, try no Majaba.